To me, cricket is a simple game. Keep it simple, and just go out and play. Never give up, just absolutely never give up. You can't afford to live your life with regrets. Part of the art of bowling spin is to make the batsman think something special is happening when it isn't. The first thing is to be patient, which is probably the hardest thing to do. I have always tried to move on from disappointments as fast as I can. I'm proud of what I've achieved in cricket, as once I didn't think I was good enough. I just play because I love playing, and I try and take as many wickets as I can. You have to decide for yourself whether you're bowling well or not. Find a way to get back into the game, find a way to build a partnership, find a way to catch a ball, find a way to stop it. With just about every player in Australia, his whole goal and ambition is to play for Australia. I think when two people get together, their past is their past, their reputations are reputations. I'm fitter than I've ever been. I'm actually very healthy, and I'm happy. Being in love with somebody is a wonderful feeling. When I turned 36, I realized the likelihood is that in 4 years' time I'll be 40. I suppose my look, the way I play, you combine all that sort of stuff, and that makes people interested in what I actually do. I am no dummy, mate, that's for sure. All my coaches tell me that I have been underachieving. With Australians, we're saying we're going to win before we start playing, and pretty much keep on saying that. Rahul Dravid being known as the Wall is pretty much spot on. The IPL is just pure intense, you don't need all the other stuff. The wickets I have played on for my whole career, most of them have been to suit fast bowlers in Australia. I also think there's too many players who say the same boring answers. I'll be going to bed having nightmares of Sachin just running down the wicket and belting me back over the head for 6. With Sachin Tendulkar and Brian Lara, it was better to be friends and make them smile rather than wind them up. Cricket is not just about the physical game, it's about the mental game as well. The key to success is hard work, determination, and always believing in yourself. As a spinner, you need to have patience and the confidence to outthink the batsman. Every great player has to go through tough times, it's how you bounce back that matters. The best players in the world are the ones who are consistent over a long period of time. If you're not learning something new every day, then you're not growing as a player. Champions are not the ones who never fail, but the ones who never give up. I always believed in playing cricket with passion and a little bit of flair. Pressure is something you put on yourself when you are not prepared. I always tried to make cricket entertaining because at the end of the day, it's a game meant to be enjoyed. Winning is important, but playing the game with integrity and respect is even more important. Every game is a new challenge, and you have to be ready to adapt to different situations. Confidence is key in any sport, and if you believe in yourself, half the battle is won. There is no shortcut to success in cricket or in life. It takes dedication and hard work. I loved the challenge of bowling to the best batsmen in the world and testing my skills against them. Sometimes you have to take risks in order to achieve greatness. The game of cricket has given me everything, and I have always given my best to the game. You don't need to be the best, but you need to give your best in everything you do. Consistency and discipline are the hallmarks of a great player. No matter how talented you are, if you don't work hard, you won't reach your full potential. A true champion is someone who rises above setbacks and keeps moving forward. Bowling spin is an art, and it requires a lot of practice and patience to master it. Cricket is a team game, and no individual can win a match alone. The best moments in cricket come when you perform under pressure and deliver for your team. There is no better feeling than winning a match for your country. Cricket is not just a sport, it's an emotion for millions of fans around the world. If you want to be great at something, you have to dedicate your life to it. Self-belief is the most powerful tool a cricketer can have. Great players are not born, they are made through hard work and perseverance. Every setback is a lesson, and every failure is a stepping stone to success. Success in cricket is not about how many runs or wickets you take, but how you contribute to the team's success. Never be afraid to try something new, because innovation is what sets great players apart. Mental strength is just as important as physical skill in cricket. Always respect your opponents, but never fear them. The best way to silence critics is to perform on the field. Cricket has taught me that success and failure are just part of the journey. Passion and commitment are what separate good players from great ones. The best players in the world are the ones who never stop learning and improving. No matter how many wickets I took, I always felt I could do better. In cricket as in life, there are no guarantees, but hard work always pays off. The biggest challenge in cricket is to stay consistent over a long period of time. Every game is a fresh start, and you have to prove yourself all over again. You don't have to be the fastest or the strongest, but you have to be the smartest. Tactics and strategy play a huge role in cricket, and you always have to be one step ahead. Success in cricket comes to those who are willing to make sacrifices for their dream. The most satisfying victories are the ones that come after a tough battle. There is no better feeling than seeing your hard work pay off on the field. Every bowler has his own unique style, and that's what makes cricket so beautiful. A spinner's biggest weapon is his ability to deceive the batsman. To be a successful bowler, you have to understand the batsman's mind and outthink him. The best teams are the ones that play together and support each other through thick and thin. Cricket is all about moments and making those moments count. The key to longevity in cricket is to keep adapting and evolving your game. Every young cricketer should focus on developing skills rather than just chasing fame. The biggest reward in cricket is the respect of your teammates and opponents. One great spell or one great innings can change the course of a match. There is no substitute for experience and learning from your mistakes. A true sportsman plays the game with honesty, passion, and dedication. There is nothing more thrilling than a close contest where both teams give their all. Cricket is not just about technique, it's about mental strength and resilience. I always believed that aggression in cricket should be controlled and smart. The most dangerous players are the ones who can stay calm under pressure. Being a match winner is not about individual glory, but about making an impact when it matters most. The best cricketers are the ones who never let success get to their head and failure get to their heart. Always play the game with a smile on your face and a fire in your heart. Your attitude determines how far you go in the game and in life. Talent will only take you so far, but hard work and dedication will take you to the top. A true sportsman never gives up, no matter how tough the situation gets. Cricket is a game of patience, and the ones who master it become legends. Every match is an opportunity to prove yourself all over again. If you want to succeed, you have to be willing to put in the extra effort when no one is watching. Respect the game, respect your teammates, and respect your opponents. The best way to improve is to constantly challenge yourself against the best. A great cricketer is someone who performs when the team needs him the most. Pressure is what you make of it. Embrace it, and you will thrive. Every ball you bowl, every shot you play, is a chance to make a difference. Cricket is a battle of the mind just as much as it is of skill. The ones who dream big and work hard are the ones who achieve greatness. No matter how many records you break, the love for the game is what truly matters. Success in cricket is not about how many runs you score, but how much you contribute to your team. A bowler should always be thinking one step ahead of the batsman. To be the best, you must always be willing to learn and adapt. Cricket is unpredictable, and that is what makes it so special. Never let failure define you. Let it be the motivation to come back stronger. A champion is not measured by his victories, but by how he bounces back from defeat. The greatest satisfaction in cricket is knowing you gave everything for your team. Enjoy the game, because at the end of the day, it's about passion and love for cricket. Winning is a habit, and so is hard work and dedication. A great player is not just defined by his skills, but also by his sportsmanship. To dominate in cricket, you must have confidence in your abilities and belief in yourself. Every cricketer faces setbacks, but it's how you respond that determines your legacy. A good captain leads by example, not just with words but with actions. Every match is a new story, and you have the power to write your own destiny. Cricket teaches you discipline, patience, and the importance of teamwork. If you want to leave a legacy, play with passion and inspire those around you. Spin bowling is an art that requires patience, deception, and intelligence. Every ball is a battle, and every wicket is a victory. Cricket is about strategy, and the best players are the ones who can think on their feet. When you wear your country's jersey, you carry the hopes of millions. The beauty of cricket is that anything can happen until the last ball is bowled. There is no better feeling than winning a match in front of a home crowd. Success in cricket is about consistency, not just one great performance. A true cricketer is someone who can perform under pressure and handle the expectations. Your biggest competition is yourself. Always strive to be better than you were yesterday. Playing cricket is not just about skills, it's about having the right mindset. A bowler's job is to make the batsman doubt himself, even before he faces the ball. The best players are the ones who can adapt to any situation and still deliver. Cricket is a team sport, and success comes when everyone contributes. Nothing beats the thrill of taking a crucial wicket at the right moment. No matter how good you are, there is always room for improvement. If you want to achieve greatness, you must be willing to work harder than everyone else. Every great bowler has a signature delivery that sets him apart from the rest. There is no shortcut to success in cricket, only hard work will get you there. The best matches are the ones that test your character and push you to your limits. In cricket, patience is just as important as aggression. Every innings is a chance to showcase your talent and leave your mark. The key to success is staying focused, disciplined, and always hungry for more. Cricket is not just about individual brilliance, it's about how well you play as a unit. Even the greatest players have bad days. What matters is how they bounce back. A true champion never stops learning, no matter how much he has achieved. Cricket is a game of small margins, and the best players know how to turn them in their favor. The crowd's roar, the tension in the air, and the thrill of competition make cricket special. A bowler's confidence is his greatest weapon. Never let doubt creep in. The best batsmen are the ones who can read the bowler's mind and anticipate his moves. Cricket is not just about talent, it's about determination and mental strength. When you step onto the field, leave all distractions behind and focus on the game. Every cricketer dreams of that one magical performance that will be remembered forever. To succeed in cricket, you must love the grind and enjoy the process of getting better. A great spinner doesn't just take wickets, he controls the game and dictates the play. No matter how big the stage, always play with the same passion and intensity. The best partnerships are built on trust, communication, and understanding each other's game. Cricket is about moments, and the best players know how to seize them. A great fielder can change the course of a game with just one brilliant effort. The difference between good and great players is their ability to perform under pressure. Cricket is like life. You must be prepared for ups and downs and never stop fighting. A batsman should never fear a bowler. Instead, he should find a way to dominate him. Every match you play is a chance to inspire the next generation of cricketers. To be a champion, you must have the hunger to win and the humility to learn. In cricket, respect is earned through performance, discipline, and sportsmanship. No matter how many trophies you win, the friendships you make in cricket are priceless. A cricketer's legacy is not just measured by records, but by the impact he leaves on the game. The best teams are the ones that fight together, win together, and celebrate together. Cricket has the power to unite nations, break barriers, and bring people together. A good bowler knows how to take wickets. A great bowler knows how to create pressure. To be successful in cricket, you must have a strong heart and an even stronger mind. Every wicket you take, every run you score, is a step closer to your dreams. Never be afraid to take risks. Sometimes, the biggest gambles lead to the greatest victories. The best bowlers are the ones who can make the batsman second-guess every shot. Every cricketer faces criticism, but the best ones use it as motivation to improve. There is no greater feeling than representing your country and making your people proud. Cricket is a game of passion, and those who play with heart will always stand out. When you walk onto the field, remember why you started playing the game in the first place. No matter how many times you fail, always find a way to rise again. The beauty of cricket is that no two matches are ever the same. If you want to be a great cricketer, you must learn to embrace challenges and thrive under pressure. A true leader in cricket is someone who inspires his team to believe in themselves. Always play the game with integrity, because at the end of the day, your character matters more than your stats.